Up next, we have Brandon Hoover. Mom Nina, his dad Brent, sister Cassie, and his girlfriend Bella. Brandon played 2 years on JV and 1 year on varsity. His favorite memories with the team were eating out and the bus rides after away games. He'd like to thank his family and his friends that came out tonight to watch him play. His parents for going to all his games, Coach Michelle, Coach Noah, for turning him into the player that he is today. Let's give it up for Brandon